Manus AI has just dropped and it's causing a buzz in the AI software space. But is it really the next big thing or just another hype train? In this review, I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know before using Manus AI. Stick around till the end because I'm going to break down exactly how it can elevate your business and how you can try it for free from the link below. Let's start with the basics. Manus AI is a brand new tool aimed at revolutionizing how you handle content creation, data analysis, and even customer interactions. It's designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind, making it one of the most versatile AI platforms available today. Whether you're looking to automate tedious tasks or boost productivity with smarter content, Manus AI promises to deliver. One of the standout features is its natural language processing capabilities. Manus AI can quickly analyze and understand the context of conversations, whether it's customer support, internal chats, or marketing messages. This means it doesn't just answer questions, it actually understands intent, making interactions feel far more natural and seamless. This could seriously transform the way businesses handle their online communication. But that's not all. Manus AI integrates with a wide range of software and tools, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. Whether you're using CRM platforms, email marketing tools, or social media management software, Manus can connect to them with little hassle. This makes it an attractive option for companies looking to streamline their operations without overhauling their entire tech stack. Now, let's talk about customization. Manus AI gives you a high level of control over its responses and outputs. You're not stuck with generic results like you might be with other tools. You can fine-tune its settings to align with your brand voice or business objectives, which is a huge plus for marketers and content creators. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done your way. Another key benefit is its powerful analytics dashboard. Manus doesn't just generate content, it also tracks and analyzes its performance, helping you understand what's working and what's not. With these insights, you can make data-driven decisions that will improve your marketing efforts and increase conversion rates. If you're worried about scalability, Manus AI has you covered. It's designed to grow with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, the platform can scale to meet your needs. This makes it ideal for businesses of all sizes looking to leverage AI without hitting roadblocks as they grow. Security is always a concern with AI software, but Manus has implemented robust security features. Your data is encrypted, and they've built in advanced safety protocols to protect sensitive information. This is especially important for companies dealing with private customer data or sensitive business information. Now, what about pricing? Here's the best part. Manus AI is offering a free trial. If you're on the fence about diving in, this is your chance to test it out with no commitment. Just head to the first link in the description below to get started, and you can explore all of Manus AI's features at no cost. So why should you care about Manus AI? Simply put, it combines cutting-edge AI technology with practical applications that can seriously improve your business operations. Whether it's automating content creation, enhancing customer interactions, or providing data-driven insights, Manus AI is a tool that's worth exploring. At the end of the day, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Manus AI stands out because it strikes a perfect balance between ease of use and powerful functionality. If you're interested in testing it for yourself, check out the link below for your free trial. And if you want to explore other great AI tools, I've listed my top recommendations in the description. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the description for more info on Manus AI and other software that can boost your business.